All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 429. Jason Lingren is with me, and we're proud to have Hoaxbuster on. This is a man who came to be long after it was hard to post anything you wanted online. He made image-only clips, and his work influenced me. It helped me to think in a different way about what I was trying to communicate. The first hour is free at crow777radio.com, CRROW777radio.com. Members know to log in for the full 2-hour episode. This is a heck of an episode to catch, and I hope to see you all over there. And I'd like to wish each and every one of you a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. Cheers.
Belief is the enemy of knowing.